How to use Doordash Virtual Card. To complete the card application, you'll need to provide basic personal information: name, date of birth, home address, social security number, and a copy of your driver's license. How the virtual card works. Your virtual card is a temporary card that you can use until your physical card arrives in the mail. Your virtual card will allow you to automatically access your Dasher income and make online purchases, bill payments, and money transfers every day until your physical card arrives. Once you activate your physical card, the virtual card will automatically close. The virtual and physical cards will have the same number, but the expiration date and security code, CVV, will be different. Also on the official site, there is information on cash deposits in ATM, as well as on withdrawal limits. This is how to use Doordash Virtual Card.